Good evening po sir. I'm Carino Ace Joshua. I'm reporting Chapter 5, the Philippine Drugs Enforcement Agency or the PDEA. The position and salary grades. The position and its equivalent salary grades of the rank and file at the PDEA. Meron pong 18 positions ang PDEA. Ito po yung Director 3, Director 2, Investigation Agent 5, Special Investigation 5, Security Officer 5, Intelligence Officer 5, Investigation Agent 3, Special Investigator 4, Security Officer 4, Intelligence Officer 4, Investigation Agent 1, Special Investigation 3, Security Officer 3, Intelligence Officer 3, Special Investigator, Security Officer 2, Intelligence Officer 2, tsaka po Intelligence Officer 2. Next naman po is yung strategies on the PDEA. Basically, there are two strategies by which law enforcement seeks to discourage illicit drug use. The first seeks to disrupt and discourage the use of illicit drugs by enforcing dangerous drugs laws against drug use and drug trafficking. And the second seeks to prevent supplies of illicit drugs from entering the country, either by pretending their cultivation abroad or by intercepting shipments into the country. The latter strategy is larger the work of the Dangerous Drugs Board or DDB and the Philippine Drugs Enforcement Agency or the PDEA. Although police and other law enforcement agency in the country may occasionally participate, the efforts to control illicit drugs use within the country are conducted by the police and law enforcement agency. Occasionally, these different levels of government join force and together, although frequently, however, they act independently, jealousy guarding their turf, that is, their resources and source of information from one another. At the national level, the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency and at present is the Chief Drug Enforcement Agency. Several other agencies play various roles in the enforcement of dangerous drug laws. Among these are our Bureau of Customs, which attempt to screen incoming person and phytophilic drugs. The Bureau of Internal Revenue tax law in violations of illicit drugs traffickers, the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency, National Bureau of Investigation, Philippine National Police, and Bureau of Immigration, which provide intelligence relatively with drug enforcement. At the local level, there are substantially larger number of people actively engaged in drug enforcement, and that is the police. Since police officers enforce drugs laws along with their other duties, drug enforcement teams have been established in every city and municipal police station. However, they must have coordination with the local drug enforcement agency prior to conduct of the operation. Next naman po is yung responsibilities of the PDEA. Drug law enforcement is one of the main goals of Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. To achieve these goals, drug law enforcement takes up some of these responsibilities. Number 1 po is yung collection, analysis, and propagation of strategic Operation Drug Intelligence information by maintaining a national drug intelligence program. The national and local officials also help the concerned drug law enforcement agency in managing the national drug intelligence program. Number 2 naman po is yung conduct of search, seizures, confiscations, and forfeitures of assets derived from trackable to or intended to be used for illicit drugs trafficking. Number 3, enforcement of provisions of the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act relating to the manufacture, distribution, and supply of the legal produce, essential chemicals, and control precursors. Number 4, investigation and preparation for the prosecution of the main violators of controlled substance laws both at the interstate and international levels, and investigation and preparation for prosecution of criminal drug gangs spreading violence in the society. Number 5, enforcement and enhancement of the mutual drug enforcement efforts by cooperating and coordinating with the national and local law enforcement officials. Number 6, initiating efforts to reduce the availability of illicit drugs in the country, marked by resorting to non-enforcement methods such as crop eradication, crop substitution, and training of foreign officials. Initiation are made with the cooperation of national and local agencies and with foreign governments. Number 7 naman po is the under and policy guidance of the Department of Justice o DOJ and Dangerous Drugs Board. The PDEA is in charge of all programs associated with drug law enforcement counterparts in foreign countries. Number 8, associating with the United Nations, Interpol, and other organizations in order to enforce international drug control. Next naman po is yung specific power of the PDEA. The PDEA, as designated by the law, is given a specific enforcement power. Some of these include power to make arrests without warrant for any offense against the provision and prescribed in the Comprehensive Dangerous Drug Act and committed in their presence, or any person in charge of the enforcement of law violated. Power to make arrest without warrant for any act punishable by the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act, and power to seize property for drug abuse, prevention, and control. Power to inspect and establish involved in the manufacturing, packing, storing, processing, or dispensing controlled substance. And power to inspect certain records, documents, and reports maintained to be kept by such facilities. STF in drug law enforcement. The provision of RA number 9165 abolished the National Drug Law Enforcement and Prevention Coordinating Center, which was under Executive Order number 61, and the Narcotic Group of Philippine National Police, Narcotic Division of National Bureau of Investigation, and Customs Narcotic Interdiction Unit of the Bureau of Customs, under BO number 206, dated May 15, 2003, these law enforcement agencies have organized the following anti-illegal drug task force to support the PIDEA o Philippine National Police Anti-Illegal Drugs Special Operation Task Force, National Bureau of Investigation Anti-Illegal Drug Task Force, and Bureau of Customs Task Force in Dangerous Drugs and Control Chemicals. Next is ICON Bilateral Agreement. The United States assists the Philippine counter narcotic efforts with training, intelligence gathering, and infrastructure development in 2005. United States Drugs Enforcement Administration and the Joint Inter-Agent Task Force West began to develop network of drug information fusion center in the Philippines. The primary facility, the Inter-Agents Counter Narcotic Operation Network, is located in Quezon City. The ICON is a coordinating body that serves as the Center for Information and Intelligence relating to anti-illegal drug operation. Its mission is to support law enforcement through timely analysis and dissemination of intelligence on the movement of illicit drugs, and coordinate detection, monitoring, and interdiction operation. Facilities of ICON and are made jointly by the PIDEA as the lead agency, National Intelligence Coordination Agency, Armed Force of the Philippines, Philippine National Police, and the Philippine Coast Guard. These are the three ICON outstations located at the headquarters of the Naval Force, Western Mindanao, Zamboanga del Sur. General Santos City and Toporo Point, San Fernando, La Union. The ICON facility at the PIDEA headquarters is used to produce intelligence program and conduct intelligence training for PIDEA agents. The outstation are also currently used as training sites as PIDEA develop leads to manpower increasing and improved coordination with other law enforcement agency. The concept of inter-agents drug intelligence coordination may be realized. Moreover, the USG plans to continue work with GRP to promote law enforcement institution building and encourage anti-corrupt mechanism via ASDEA and JIATF West training program, as well as the ongoing program funded by Department of States through the BINL and the United States Agents for International Development, strengthening the bilateral counter-narcotic relationship which serve the national interests of both the U.S. and the Philippines. Organization accountabilities. All members of the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency must conduct themselves by exemplifying and core values of the agency in the performance of their duties and responsibilities. They must be professional, dynamic excellence, driven and accountable public servant towards this end. A truly competent, credible, and dedicated workforce of PIDEA shall develop to enforce the anti-illegal drug without fear and favor, undertake prevention, control, and elimination of dangerous drugs and illegal chemicals conversion of, of controlled precursors and essential chemicals, promote peace and ensure public safety, and encourage community participating in the National Anti-Illegal Drug Campaign. The penalties of the commission of acts or practices in violation of the PDEA Code of Professional Conduct and Ethical Standard, second edition, shall be in accordance with the revised penal code RA number 6173, RA number 3019, and other special laws for act or mission which requires administrative sanction. The applicable punishment as provided in the rules and regulations promulgated by the PDEA and Civil Service Commission shall be applied. Yun lang po. Thank you, sir. Good evening po.